Hey guys, so sorry. I had an interruption right in the middle of number 6 and I had to pause. And then I realized I couldn't continue with the video. So we're going to have a second video on this lesson. I'm so sorry, but I don't want to redo all of that other 7 minutes. So we're just going to keep on rolling. And I'll help make sure that you understand that's what happened because it probably seemed really dramatic. Like the commercial came at the wrong moment in the movie. You're like, no, I got to see what happens. Here you go. You get to see what happens. So we are going to highlight section DF as 8.7. I'm going to do that in yellow because there's not a lot of room to write in here. Also, please take note that on this trapezoid, parallels, it's parallel, we have two congruent sides. If we have two congruent sides, cha-ching, we've got an isosceles trapezoid. The diagonals are congruent. So a diagonal takes one vertex and connects it to the other one opposite through the figure. Guys, if DF is 8, then EG, oops, I meant to say 8.7, then EG is also 8.7 because diagonals are congruent in an isosceles trapezoid. And isosceles trapezoid means that you've got two congruent legs. All right, let's keep going. Number 8, and I'm not going to pause. Anybody who wants to come in my room, I'm just going to keep teaching. They're going to have to wait for me. So on number 8, it says find the length of the median of each trapezoid. Well, we had some information up here where it says the median is half the sum of the bases. Okay, so I'm pretty sure our bases are the two sides that look pretty dang parallel. I'm going to switch this out for x. I can't do the question mark anymore. Drive me nuts. So the median, x, is equal to half the sum, that means to add, of the bases. We can do that, guys. This isn't that bad. Yeah, we got decimals, but you know what? We've done worse. So 5.5 plus 12.9, we have half of 18.4. We do that. 9.2. That is our x. Not bad. Let's do another one. So this guy, here's our median. Remember that our bases are parallel, so our median is 5.5. I'm going to write the words on this one. It's equal to half of the sum of the two bases. Well, my median's 5.5. I'm going to have to go half. The top base is 4.4. The bottom base is now x. This is a little different. We actually have to solve an equation. I really want to get rid of that 1/2. So I'm going to multiply both by 2, both sides by 2. So we will have, let's see, 5.5 times 2. Math teacher can do math. That's 11 equals 4.4 plus x. I'm going to subtract off my 4.4. I know you can hear my calculator clicking, but you can't see it, but you guys are good. So 11 minus 4.4 is 6.6. That one's done. Again, if I'm going too fast, you guys know that you can pause me. So we got a few more to go. Bear with me. I'm trying to give you as many examples as I can so that everything makes sense. So let's walk through this guy. On number 12, we're going to take our median, and that is going to be equal to half of the two bases added together. Remember, our bases are parallel. So this one's just coming down to solving equations. I'm going to clean up the inside of my parentheses, 23 plus 2. That's going to give me 11x plus 25. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to clear out my fraction. 29 times 2 is 58. That's equal to 11x plus 25. When I subtract off my 25, we get 33 equals 11x. X is 3. Trying to save room for the other one. So number 14 is actually a little bit different. Number 14 is not talking about midsegments. Number 14 is dealing with angles. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure my bases are top and bottom. They're not always, it's just the way these guys have been drawn on this worksheet. Just look for the parallel sides. Well, we had a statement that said that adjacent angles along a leg are supplementary. This is a leg. These are adjacent. Those two angles are going to add together to be 180 because that's the definition of supplementary. 8 plus 95, so we got 11x plus 103 equals 180. Subtract off our 103. We're going to get 11x equals 77. X is 7. So I have to scoot over to get to number 16. Number 16 is a little bit different. Number 16 is talking about an isosceles trapezoid. I got two congruent legs. Well, base angles are congruent in an isosceles trapezoid. That means that this guy right here of 12x minus 28 matches to this left-hand side. Side note, 5x plus 38 matches to this side, this angle as well. So 12x minus 28 matches to angle U, 5x plus 38 matches to angle S. Then we have the fact that adjacent angles along the leg are supplementary. So 12x minus 28 plus 5x plus 38 equals 180. And I know that's tiny, so I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Just afraid my computer's going to wig out on me on the focus thing. Let's combine. 12x and 5x is 17x. I can do that in my head. Positive 38, negative 28 is a positive 10. That's equal to 180. Subtract off your 10. 17x equals 170. X is 10. But don't stop there. We have to find angle V. So angle V is going to be equal to 5 times 10 plus 38. And I just don't trust myself, so yes, I just typed that. The measure of angle V is equal to 88 degrees. Last one. I know my videos are a little bit too long on this guy, but I don't know how else to do this, so here we are. We have a median. That 7x minus 4 is going to be equal to half of the sum of the other bases combined. Okay, let's finish this. So 38 and a negative 6 will have 1/2 6x plus 32 equals 7x minus 4. And this one, because they're all even, if you want to distribute through, that's fine. I'm going to multiply it away, and then I have to make sure that I'm distributing through my parentheses. We'll have 14x minus 8 equals 6x plus 32. I'm going to do a double swap. I'm going to subtract off my 6x, and I'm going to add my 8 because I'm running out of time. 8x equals 40, x equals 5, but we need to find VU. There you go. So VU is going to be 6 times 5 minus 6. That is 24. So I'm sorry that these two videos are probably a total of 15 minutes, but hey, if you want to take a pause, you most certainly can. There you go. That's trapezoids. Take good care of yourselves. I miss you. Bye.